hope you all enjoyed my last week's Baba's guidance, and today I thought I will start with the guidance of what Baba wants to give us this week. It says learn to let go and forgive. So basically, maybe something is hurting you, something is bothering you, so let go. Whoever has hurt you, it's okay, forgive them, because when you forgive them, you open yourself to healing, and when you open yourself to healing, Baba is always there to help you. Basically, all of us at one point of life would have always been hurt or cheated by someone. But when we let go of that hurt and cheat, when we forgive them, we are somewhere accepting the Baba's policy of forgiving others, loving others, and in turn getting unconditional love. Now we will see what card this is. Okay, this is my favorite card. It says, those who think Baba is only in Shirdi have totally failed to know me. I would like to tell one thing here. I think all of you all know I am an ardent Baba Bhakt, but I have never been to Shirdi. So I know some of you will be surprised today, but I believe in this card very much because I feel Baba is everywhere. I don't have to go to Shirdi to see him or to feel him. Today if I call on him, he will come. If I call on him with faith, he will always be there for me wherever I need him. Moreover, I was always wanting to see Dwarka Mai, the place where Baba lived, but somehow I couldn't come to that thing that I have to travel and go to Shirdi. So what I did, I named my home the Dwarka Mai, saying, okay Baba, whenever Baba is free, let Baba come and stay here at my house and show me his presence. And believe me, it happens. So don't worry, don't think, should I go to the temple to call on Baba? Should I worship him in this way? Should I worship him in that way? Just understand one thing, he is everywhere. Wherever you want his presence, just call on him. If you feel hurt, just think about him. Ask him to guide you on how to forgive the things that has hurt you. Sometimes you might feel so low that you might not understand what to do. If you see in this card, it says, anytime problem arises and the energies dip, choose to let go. Baba always says there is no place for emotions. Baba says never ever lower your emotions or energies for anything at all in this world. So what he says is right. Today when I was opening the Sai Satcharitra book for this guidance, it was so blissful that it was talking about the characteristics of Baba. So it was as if the cards and the Baba's book was giving equal communication to me, because if you read in this, Baba never had any home, Baba never had any marriage or any children or any wife, nothing. Baba was just Baba, and Baba never believed in that only this is my family or only that is my family. Baba lived in this world. He used to beg for his own bread, and he was always on foot. And if you see, he used to stay under the neem tree. This is how Baba was. And many sadhus who have attained to the vision of the God, many sadhus who have blessed this country have lived this life. So Baba is everywhere. If you feel you want to see the presence of Baba, and there's a neem tree, because just right opposite to my house is a neem tree. So just go and sit there, and you will feel Baba sitting next to you, smiling at you, and just telling you, don't worry, or why fear when I am there. I always tell myself this, why fear when Baba is there? Baba will take care of everything. Baba is there everywhere. Baba is omnipresent. So today, whatever has hurt you, maybe it is yesterday something which has happened, maybe today it has happened, or maybe it's going to happen today. So Baba is saying, let go, forgive, and don't think that to seek my guidance you need to come to me. Just call me with love, call me with affection, and I would definitely come and show you my presence. I hope you all are enjoying my Baba's messages. Do let me know so that I can keep bringing more and more such messages. I won't even bring in Merlin messages in future, but I want to see how people are liking this and how people are reciprocating this. So today, with yet another beautiful message from Baba, let's forgive, let's forget, let's move forward in life, let's heal ourselves, let's heal the world, let's spread unconditional love. Om Sai Ram.